Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is an approved center of ICTQual AB, and we're offering you ICTQual Level 3 Award in Installation Techniques of HDPE PVC Pipe. In the realm of modern infrastructure development, the installation of piping systems stands as a cornerstone for the efficient transport of fluids and gases across diverse industries. Among the various materials used for piping, high-density polyethylene, HDPE, and polyvinyl chloride, PVC, pipes shine for their durability, versatility, and ease of installation. Mastering the installation techniques of these pipes is not just a skill, it's a critical competency for professionals in construction, water management, agriculture, and more. HDPE and PVC pipes have revolutionized the piping industry with their exceptional properties and applications. HDPE pipes, known for their flexibility, chemical resistance, and longevity, are widely used in water supply, wastewater management, agriculture, and telecommunications. On the other hand, PVC pipes, renowned for their corrosion resistance, affordability, and ease of installation, find applications in irrigation, drainage, plumbing, and construction projects. The Level 3 Award in HDPE PVC pipe installation techniques serves as a gateway to mastering the art of pipe installation. Developed to meet industry standards, this vocational qualification equips individuals with the essential skills and knowledge required for proficient pipe installation. Whether you're a seasoned professional looking to enhance your expertise or a newcomer eager to enter the field, this award provides a comprehensive learning experience tailored to the intricacies of HDPE and PVC pipe installation. Entry requirements. Prospective candidates are typically required to have a minimum level of basic education, usually equivalent to completion of secondary school or its equivalent. This ensures individuals have foundational literacy and numeracy skills necessary for successful completion of the course. Due to the nature of pipe installation work, candidates are expected to have a basic understanding of health and safety principles and regulations relevant to the construction industry. This may involve completing introductory courses or certifications in workplace safety. Study units. Introduction to Pipe Installation, HDPE and PVC Pipe Materials, Health and Safety in Pipe Installation, Pipe Handling, Transportation and Storage, Pipe Joining Methods, Installation Techniques, Quality Control and Inspection, Environmental Considerations and Sustainability. Future Progression. Advanced certifications, specialized training, career progression, entrepreneurship, continuing professional development, CPD, international opportunities, specialization. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.